I cannot stress the importance of having an email list. For whatever type of business that you have, you need to have an email list. Studies have been shown that you get more sales from emails than you do with other types of marketing, such as Instagram or any other type of marketing that you are doing. An email list is so important, and you can get started for free. That's what I did. So a few months ago, I signed up for MailChimp, and it is completely free to get started. You can use MailChimp up to, I believe, the first 2,000 subscribers. And then after that, you might want to think about switching over to something like ConvertKit, which I've heard wonderful things about ConvertKit. But right now, I'm sticking with MailChimp. So I have 310, actually I have 313 contacts. 310 of these are subscribers. And I have gained 45 new subscribers to my email list just within the last month. So actually this is from April 14th to May 15th. So far I've gotten 45. So it'll be interesting to see how much this will grow. So this is my recent growth. And it kind of tells me the top locations of people and where they are coming from. You know, it'll tell you your top locations. And then there's so many things you can do. They have the templates here, and you can make and design your own templates here. I don't have any saved templates. I honestly have only used this once. I've been trying to grow my email list, and I'm really going to start using this more. So I have sent out an email before, and you can make lots of your own content, and you can do campaigns. There's all sorts of things that you can do. It's really not hard to do. If you click on create a campaign, you can click here on if you just want to send an email, if you want to send an ad, a postcard, a landing page, or a sign-up form. Now the sign-up form is what I have used. And when you click on this is what I have done, is used a sign-up form, and is how I have grown my email list to 310 subscribers, is by simply mentioning it in my YouTube videos. Even on the videos that I do not mention my email list, we'll just go right here to the video I just did a little while ago. I always put it right here in the description. Sign up for Make Money Online with Me email for so much more. And it has a link right here for them to sign up for my email list. So that's how I do it with YouTube. So I have grown my email list with YouTube. Now, I teach a lot about Etsy. And here's how you can grow your email list with Etsy. First of all, you should have an email list if you have an Etsy shop. The best places to put your link to your email list so that they can receive coupons, and you can make them feel special by saying, you know, sign up for my email list here, provide the link, and to receive coupons for additional purchases. So if I click right here on this mock-up photo, I was searching for some mock-up photos a little while ago, and that triggered me to want to do this email on an email, do this video on an email list. So is where you're going to want to put the link, you're going to want to put it in two places. You want to put it right here in the description. You know, you want to put it somewhere in the description, you know, hey, sign up for my email list, you know, here to receive additional special VIP coupons, or, you know, you want to make them feel really special by doing that. And you also want to put it in your shop announcements. So, I am in somebody else's shop. So if you put it in the announcements, you can put it there, and you can also put it in your shop policies. Or I'm sorry, not your shop policies, but you can put it in your announcements. And that is the best way. If you have it in both of those places for every single listing that you do, you are more likely to, you know, grow your email list. And it's amazing how you can watch it grow. So MailChimp is completely free to start using. And I'm going to leave a link to MailChimp in the description below. So once again, it's not hard to get started. You just sign up with MailChimp. Now, I do want to tell you one thing. There is some sort of law of some sort that if you start an email list, you have to use an address. So I actually went and got a P.O. box, which is not very much. It's like $17 for every 6 months. So if you go to your local post office, you can get a P.O. box if you don't want to give away your home address. But if you're just getting started, you can go ahead and get started and put your home address on there. And then you can always go back and change it later. So, you know, once again, it's real simple and easy to use. You can add your own photos. You can add your own, you know, whatever it is you want to do. So when I go here to create a template, you can put right here to showcase your products. If you have something, a big announcement that you want to make, share the big news, make an announcement. You can tell a story. This is follow-up. Now, this would be a great email to send to anyone who signed up for your email list, and you could follow up with the an email with the people who have engaged with you. And then this is the educate template. So there are so many pre-made templates on here. That's all you have to do. Now these down here, you can add your own images and things like that. So, you know, right here, if I click right here on showcase your products, this would be a great way to add coupons or coupon codes for your Etsy listings. So right here, you would put, you know, showcase your products, and you could have a link to your Etsy shop or the Etsy listing itself, and preferably your Etsy shop. You know, direct them directly to your Etsy shop. So, this is just an awesome idea. Right here, it's very cut and dry. Image group. So if you click here on image group, this is going to allow you to drop an image here. So you can do that. So, I mean, this is just an awesome, it's very user-friendly to start with MailChimp. And once again, I'll leave a link to that in the description below. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification, because you don't want to miss out on any future videos about how to make money online. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day.